What if the lunch you bought today helped someone start over? Here, food is more than just what's served on a plate. It's training, confidence, opportunity, and a path forward. Hi, I'm Kimberly Price, your host in Charlotte, North Carolina for the American Dream. Let's head inside and see what's cooking. Community Culinary School of Charlotte is a nonprofit workforce training program for adults who may have faced barriers to long-term employment. Students receive hands-on culinary training, job readiness support, and a path into the hospitality industry. The program is made possible through donations, grants, the café, bakery sales, and catering services. The front of the building is open to the public Monday through Friday with a retail counter, bakery items, lunch options, beverages, and a place to sit and enjoy a meal. But what makes this place special is that what happens out here helps support what happens in the kitchen. Good morning. This looks beautiful.
Thank you. Yeah, it looks delicious, right?
Wonderful. So tell me, if folks are coming in today, what can they order for food or a meal here?
Well, yeah, so we're open Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. In the mornings, we had our delicious pastries in the showcase that are baked fresh, all made in-house. We have coffee, and then at about 10:30, we start serving our lunch meal.
So to better understand the program here and why it matters, I'm joined by Chef Ron Allard, who's the executive director of the school. So Chef, thank you for taking the time for us.
My pleasure. I appreciate you guys being here.
Of course. So if for someone who's just learning about the program, how would you describe the mission and who the program is designed to serve?
We work with adults that have experienced barriers to long-term employment. We train them for 14 weeks, Monday through Thursday, 8 to 11 o'clock, right in this very building here where these delicious pastries are made. If I'm talking to somebody who's potentially going to invest money with the school, a donation, they'll learn about how that money is spent, how that $1.5 million budget is actually spent and handled. We're excellent stewards of the time, talent, and treasure that we get. It's a privilege to receive. If we're talking to students, we let them know that we really do what we say we're going to do, which is place them at a fair day's paying job after the 14-week program is graduated from.
That's wonderful. So you have over 1,200 graduates now. What type of changes do you see in your students from the time that they begin until the time that they graduate?
They become a little more assertive, a little more understanding of what the hospitality industry is all about, and a little more, and not a little more, a lot more with the ability to work. They have the ability to grasp that $20 to $25 an hour pay scale, which is great. They start acquiring some things. They start acquiring maybe a set of keys from an establishment, which means that they're being entrusted with the sovereignty of the place of business, which is really cool. We love to see that. We've been doing it since '97, so we'll be 30 years old next year, which is really cool.
Congratulations. And from the public to partnerships, how does this work for funding and support of the school?
We are a huge organization that appreciates all partnerships. Just as I spoke about the box lunches earlier with the Ronald McDonald House, we partner with just about every other 501c3 organization in the city of Charlotte and beyond. The county has invested with us, the city has invested with us, and the state of North Carolina has invested with us because, again, we're very good stewards of those 3 T's that all nonprofits need to be successful: time, talent, and treasure.
And this week, a new class begins. Over the next 12 to 14 weeks, 21 students will learn not only how to work in a kitchen, but how to build confidence, consistency, and career-ready skills. To understand the impact of this work, you really need to hear from someone who has lived it. One of the most powerful parts of this program is that some graduates come back to work here, helping the next class of students find their own path. So I'm here with Sharon. She's a graduate of class number 66. And thank you for joining me today and answering some questions about the program. So how has this program in the school changed your life?
It changed my life by giving back to the community, where instead of a lot of people go out to the community, now the community gets to come to us so we can show them how to make a life change in the culinary field.
I love it. And you love working with the students.
Love it. Love it.
So how do you feel when you get to see a class? We have one starting right now. You said this is class number 83?
83.
83.
Yes.
And when you see a class make it, those 12 to 14 weeks to graduation, how does it make you feel?
It makes me feel like I help change the community, that they accomplish new things, that they're going out to make a new start in life. So when I see those graduates come up, I know that you can do it because you put 14 hard work into the community, into the school with the community. So I am so proud of that.
Here, every meal has a purpose. The cafe, bakery, and catering services help to support the school, while donations from the public help put students through the program. This is a place that makes Charlotte feel like community. Community School of Charlotte is serving more than just meals. They're serving opportunity, and every one of us has a chance to be a part of that. For the American Dream, I'm Kimberly Price, and I'll see you next time.